The bounty of summer, so many fabulous flowers, paired with the color palette of autumn, such intensity. Today, foam-free, interesting mechanics. Let me show you how it's done. The compote, watertight, ready to go. The mechanics, working with a Kinzon. To place it, using a single glue strip, pulling it off, and placing it around the edge, wrapping it, pulling it around, stretching it, and then placing it down. It will securely adhere. Then that's not enough. Going one step further with floral netting, tape that in place, and then add fresh water, pre-mixed with flower food, and you're ready to go. To cover the mechanics, a combination. Some ruscus tucked in. It can go into the netting, and it can go down into the Kinzon, so you can get it to stand upright or go sideways, or a little bit of both. Then coming back with some dried smokebush to give it that beautiful late summer bronzy mahogany color, tucking it down in. Letting it drape over, and then coming back with some yarrow. Making sure that it inserts deeply into the water, down into the Kinzon, so that it will drink and hold well. Adding in now the more delicate flowers, maybe some lime material, snapdragons, inserting it into the Kinzon, making sure that it's nice and secure. The dahlias, letting them tuck in, finding the perfect spot, and then repeating so you get the lines reinforced, filling in the arrangement. As you finish, take a moment and look at it from all sides. Make sure you have balance. It doesn't have to be totally symmetrical. It can be asymmetrical, but needs to be balanced. Then go back, add a little texture, a little brightness, some dill coming out towards the front. Maybe some bunny tails for lightness coming up through the center. And then again, turn it and look again to make sure you're satisfied with all the placement. The recipe, I started with a base of ruscus and smokebush, one large piece of smokebush and about 7 stems of ruscus. Then I used 7 of the snapdragons, 5 of the dahlias, 10 of the yarrow, 7 of the dill, an entire bunch of bunny grass. Takes up that whole center area to create the beautiful compote. As we transition from summer to autumn, dahlias are at their peak. You can see they pair wonderfully with that autumn color palette. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Find the beautiful dahlias, gather autumn treasures, and create your arrangement. Be sure to take a picture and post it on social media. Hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.